टेस्ट ड्राइव दिस एथर 450X। शायद वो रिसेंटली आया है, पहले 450 प्लस आए थे, अभी रिसेंटली 450X आया है। बहुत सुना है मैंने उसके बारे में, शायद आप लोग भी सुने होंगे। मैं आज वो टेस्ट ड्राइव करने जा रहा हूँ, उसी के लिए कुछ काम के लिए आया था मैं। बट बिफोर दैट आई टू टेस्ट ड्राइव दैट व्हीकल स्कूटर हीरो इलेक्ट्रिक। बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स के इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर्स आए हैं, बट एथर एनर्जी का स्पेशलिटी, एक मेन हाईलाइट पॉइंट ये है मेरा 1 साल पहले कुछ एक एक्सीडेंट हुआ था बाइक। दिस इज फ्लाईओवर, हुसैन फ्लाईओवर। दिस इज वेयर एग्जैक्टली दैट इंसिडेंट हैपेंड। मेट्रो है क्या वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी के लिए? मेट्रो लाइन बन रहा है तो दैट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स और हेल्पफुल है, इवन जॉब वर्कर्स, एवरीवन बेसिकली। मेरे ख्याल से वो 450 है, नॉट 450 प्लस और 450X। तो जाके देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा। मुझे भी एग्जैक्टली आइडिया नहीं है कि क्या क्या डिफरेंस है। सो लेट्स सी, वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी इलेक्ट्रिक कमिंग द फ्यूचर। आई होप यू गाइस आल्सो। ट्रैफिक हद से ज़्यादा है, वर्स्ट अंधेरा होने आया, अभी तक रीच नहीं हुआ मैं। इट्स ऑलरेडी बीन मोर देन 30 मिनट्स। ये ट्रैफिक का हालत देखो भाई। ये तो शो क्लोजेस बाय 6:30। होपफुली आई गेट द टेस्ट ड्राइव। अगर नहीं मिला ना भाई, पूरा वेस्ट हो जाएगा। यहाँ से वहाँ तक गया, फिर रिटर्न जाना पड़ेगा। अभी 18 मिनट्स है, तो आई विल रीच बाय अराउंड 6 o'clock। 6:30 को शोरूम क्लोज हो जाएगा। लेट्स सी, फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड। जस्ट फॉर कंफर्मेशन फ्रॉम द एथर दैट आई कैन टेस्ट ड्राइव द 450X एथर। अगर थोड़ा भी लेट हो जाएगा तो भी वो अलाउ करेंगे। ऑन द सेफर साइड आई कॉल देम, एंड थोड़ा टाइम एक्सटेंड कर सके तो अच्छा हो जाएगा। दे सेड थम्स अप, यू कैन कम एंड टेस्ट ड्राइव।
Got two models, this is the 450X and 450 Plus.
Okay.
So when you switch it on, you can see the dashboard here. Let me just increase the brightness. So on your dashboard you have 3 screens. So first is your home screen.
Yeah.
Right? On the top left you have your setting screen.
Okay.
And on the top right you have your navigation.
Okay.
Right?
This one is Google Maps or
Yes,
Aether's?
Google.
Okay.
So on your home screen you can see on the left you can see how many kilometers you've driven on the Odo.
Okay.
Your average speed, current ride details. You also have your park assist feature. So if you want to take the vehicle out of a parking spot,
Okay.
you can use this by sliding it right and accelerating. The vehicle will go in reverse. And then you have 4 riding modes.
Okay.
So basically riding modes are like your gears. So
Okay.
you can switch between the gear if you want to go for a faster, higher speed.
Okay.
So eco is basically your economy mode where you get 85 kilometers range on a full charge.
85.
Right? So that is an estimated range. It can go plus or minus depending on how you accelerate, how you are,
Exactly,
how you
yeah.
ride, braking and everything.
Okay.
Then you have ride mode. So for eco mode, basically your speed is 40 to 50 kilometers per hour.
Okay.
And then you've got ride mode. Your speed is 50 to 60 kilometers per hour.
This will be controlled by here, right?
Yes. So you cannot use touchscreen when the vehicle is moving.
Okay.
You'll have to use this toggle switch here.
Okay, sure.
Ride mode is 50 to 60 speed. And your range is 70 kilometers.
Okay.
Then you've got sports mode, which gives you 60 kilometers range.
Okay.
And then you got warp mode, which is faster than sports mode, which gives you 50 kilometers range. But the top speed of the vehicle is 90 kilometers per hour. Then you have other features like you can shut down the vehicle if you don't want to use it, or if you're going out of station for a long time, you can shut down the vehicle.
Okay.
You can upload documents on the Aether mobile app. It will reflect here, so you can store all vehicle documents here itself.
Okay. Can I zoom this? Okay. Sure.
Then-
What's the charging time of this vehicle?
Charging
by
time,
normal charger and by speed charger. Fast
normal
charger.
charger you're given along with to charge at home.
Okay.
That will take a 0 to 100% charge will take 5.5 hours.
Okay.
0 to 80% is 3 hours.
0
And
to
the fast charger, we set up charging stations. We've got around 32 stations in Bangalore.
Okay.
That will take 1 hour 15 minutes for a full charge.
All right.
Yep. And we've got a boot space of 22 liters with side pockets to
There's
keep our
a LED
items,
light over
and
here.
we've got LED light, yes.
How many riding modes in 450X and 450 plus and 450?
450X and 450 we are discontinuing. We're not continuing 450 anymore.
Okay.
We only have 450X and 450 plus.
Okay.
So 450X there are 4 riding modes: Eco, Ride, Sports and War. That is 4. In 450 plus you do not have War mode. Basically you just have Sports, Ride and Eco. 3 modes on 450 plus.
Okay, sir.
And the range on 450 plus is 70 kilometers on Eco mode. So
Okay. In 450 plus?
Yes.
All right.
Here
Okay.
it's 85. So 10 to 15 kilometers difference in range between both the models.
Okay. Okay.
And you also have Bluetooth inbuilt on the 450X,
Only.
which you do not have the plus.
Okay. I can connect my phone to this.
Phone to the vehicle through the Ather mobile app.
Okay.
So if you're getting incoming calls or if you're listening to music, you can see that on the dashboard itself.
Okay.
Right? So if you're say you're traveling across the city and someone's calling you on your phone, you can see who's calling you there.
Okay. Can I pick up the call here?
Yes,
or?
you can also pick up the call, but to answer, you'll need like a earphone connected to your
Okay.
phone, smartphone. That is. Apart from that, you've got general details over the vehicle like registration details, chassis number, that's your VIN number,
Okay.
and the software version. So this is a smart scooter, so you keep getting software updates.
Okay.
Right now we have it's basically Android open source.
We can update the software in
Yes.
home or we should come here.
It's over the air updates.
Okay.
So it's called OTA updates.
Okay.
You can update it like how you update your mobile apps through your Google Play Store. Same thing.
Where is the internet connectivity to this?
There's a SIM card. There's a 4G connectivity inbuilt.
Okay. Lifetime.
No, so basically it is you'll have to recharge it either quarterly, that's 3 months, or yearly. But we have activated it for up to 6 months. That is till 15th May of next year.
Okay.
Yeah. And apart from that settings, you can adjust the brightness of the dashboard, the theme, indicator sound, the parking sound. So that's the light theme.
Okay.
Yeah. Indicator sound and parking sound can be adjusted. You also have other features like auto indicator off. As soon as you make a turn, the indicator goes off.
Okay.
Guide me home light, the light stays on for after you switch off the main switch, the key.
Okay.
Then you have the real-time efficiency based on how you're accelerating. You can get to see
The time efficiency. All right. Okay.
And incognito is something that you can switch on if you don't want the vehicle's location to be tracked on the mobile app.
And what is this?
Errors. So if there's any errors with the sensors on the vehicle, so there are 46 different sensors. If there's any
46?
errors, yes.
Okay.
So that will be seen here. Basically, an error code will appear, and you can report that to the service team. So that's about it. That is in settings.
How to turn on the vehicle? Can you please show that?
This is just a normal key entry. So right now, this is a handle lock.
Okay.
Just push the key in. Now it's like this. Just turn it on rightly.
Okay.
It's on. This is to open the boot space. Just twist it left without pushing the key. That's it.
All right.
So, you just come. Pick up. You have to wear a helmet.
Yeah.
So before starting the vehicle, so you can see two symbols here. One is your kill switch sensor,
Okay.
kill switch indicator, and other one is side stand indicator.
Okay.
And you can see the motor's off or on. So if it says the motor's on, that means the vehicle's on.
Okay.
You can hop on in the vehicle. This is the kill switch. You switch it on, and you have a side stand. So take off the side stand. Right? So both the symbols will go. You have side stand, and when switch is on, it's off. So no symbols here.
Okay.
That means you can start the vehicle. Since you're holding, you can just hold any one of the brakes and the start button. So
Okay.
you press the start button, you get a sound, and the motor is on. You use the park assist. You just slide it right, and now you accelerate, it goes into reverse.
Alright, I could not vlog here because I don't have this photo mounted. Will test them and tell you the results. The Google Maps as he said, and overall performance bhai sab top notch. Excuse me, sir. What's the difference between this lithium battery and normal batteries?
So lead acid batteries, they might be less expensive, but they're not durable.
Okay.
So they get worn out very quickly.
Okay.
Whereas lithium-ion batteries, although a bit more expensive than lead acid batteries,
Exactly.
they are more long-lasting.
Okay. Okay. Here's the battery of the vehicle, right?
Yes.
This is the motor.
Yes. We've got tubeless tires and disc brakes.
Okay.
Got a monoshock suspension.
On
with
450 plus, we'll get both the specs or only front?
Same. It's the
Same.
same.
Okay.
Yes, also you get 40 plus, also you get the same front and rear disc brakes.
Is there any warranty to the vehicle after purchasing?
So battery will be 3 years warranty with unlimited kilometers.
Okay.
Other parts of the vehicle will be 3 years or 30,000 kilometers, whichever comes first.
Okay. And I heard that there's a policy called after 3 years we can return to the.
It's called the buyback scheme, which ended on July 31st, so it's not active anymore.
Okay. Okay. This one is the charger that will be provided within the. Yes, okay.
So either it's wall-mounted charger or portable charger. You can opt for any one with the vehicle.
Okay.
The charging time is the same.
Okay.
You get a 15 amps 3-pin socket with a 5 amps converter.
Okay.
Yeah. These are fast charging stations we have set up across India.
Thanks for the cooperation, sir.
No problem. Thanks.
Okay, thanks. Bye. I hope you got all the information you wanted or you expecting from this Ather 450X. कुछ भी अगर आपको इस बाइक के बारे में सवाल है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हो, आंसर करने की ज़रूर कोशिश करूँगा. And the guy who explained me has explained everything, I hope. And a big thumbs up to Ather for giving me this Ather 450X for the test drive. And अच्छा खासा वीडियो भी बन रहा है. एक और पॉइंट मैंने मेंशन करना भूल गया था. एंड बाप रे बाप क्या पिकअप है भाई साहब. मैंने आज तक मेरे लाइफ में ऐसा वाला पिकअप मैंने कोई भी स्कूटर आज तक नहीं चलाया बॉस. सुपर्ब है पिकअप. एंड रेंज भी है भाई. अभी एको मोड में 80 प्लस है तो भी अच्छा बोल सकते हैं. You can daily charge like you charge your mobile phones. And talking about the price of this Ather 450X comes around 1.5 lakh rupees, जहाँ पे नॉर्मल स्कूटर्स जो है उसका प्राइस भी ऑलमोस्ट अभी 1 लाख के आसपास ही है. आसपास मतलब 1 लाख प्लस ही है. एंड आप लोग अगर कैलकुलेट करोगे तो 1 ईयर में अगर 10,000 किलोमीटर चलाओगे पेट्रोल स्कूटर एंड इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर, पेट्रोल स्कूटर में यू विल स्पेंड अराउंड 26,000 रुपीज आसपास. एंड इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर में यू विल जस्ट स्पेंड 2,500 रुपीज फॉर 10,000 किलोमीटर्स. कैलकुलेट करो, आप लोग को पता चल जाएगा. ये पॉइंट मैं मेंशन करना भूल गया था. गेट बैक टू द वीडियो. As I said that if you have any questions regarding this Ather 450X or 450 plus, do let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer each and every question. So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for the latest videos. With that said, thank you very much for watching this video. As always, फिर मिलेंगे जब तक के लिए stay happy, spread kindness. Bye. Just realized it's my 100th vlog. So vlog complete हो गया. अभी तक सब्सक्राइब बढ़ रहे हैं. At this point of time, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit like button, support करो ना please. क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हैं, पता है भाई, कभी कभी बोलना पड़ता है वो भी। शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स।